Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. My name is Sonia and this is my YouTube channel where you can find many crochet video tutorials, and today I would like to show you how to crochet this small flower, which could be used as a small bag or purse or airport cover, whatever you would like to use it for. It's a very quick and easy project. It's perfect for beginners. You can use any yarn you like and the appropriate crochet hook. I will use yarn Tereska, which is 100% cotton, and you will need two colors. I will start with the orange yellow color. I will use 3mm crochet hook, and let's start with a magic ring. Into the magic ring I will make 15 double crochet stitches. I will start with chain 3, and chain 3 at the beginning is my first double crochet. Then let's make 14 double crochet stitches into the magic ring, and I will work in closed round, so I will close every round with a slip stitch placed in the third chain from the very beginning to close the round. I will work only on the right side, so don't turn your work when you finish the round. This is it. I have 15 double crochet stitches. Now tie the end as much as you can. Close the magic ring and insert the hook into the third chain from the very beginning and close the round. This is it. Let's start round number 2. Chain 3, which is my first double crochet, and then make one more double crochet in the first stitch, and then let's make increase in each and every stitch around, so work 2 double crochet in each stitch from the previous round, and you should finish with 30 double crochet stitches in this second round. So 1 double crochet and the second one in the same stitch. Perfect. So let's continue crocheting, and I will meet you at the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch. Perfect. And now I will change the color, so cut the yarn, and I will use white yarn for next 2 rounds. You can start in any stitch you like around, and I will do 5 repetitions around. We have 30 double crochet stitches, so 1 repetition is for 6 stitches. So pull the loop, make a chain, and then make a single crochet in the first stitch. So at the beginning of the repetition is single crochet, then let's make double crochet in the next stitch, then let's work 2 double crochet stitches in the next stitch, 1 and 2. In next stitch make 2 trebles, 1 and 2, so 2 trebles. Then let's make 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 and 2, then half double crochet in the next stitch, and this is it. Let's start a new repetition which starts with a single crochet. Then let's make half double crochet and 2 doubles, 2 trebles, 2 doubles and half double crochet. So let me show you. So 1 half double crochet, now 2 doubles, 1 and 2, then 2 trebles in the next stitch, and 1 more treble, then 2 doubles, in the next stitch. You can hide the end of orange yarn when you crochet the stitches. Then 1/2 double crochet, and this is the second repetition, and the third repetition will start with single crochet again. So repeat it 3 more times, and I will meet you at the end. Close the round with a slip stitch, and then let's make a slip stitch in the next stitch, and let's make again 5 repetitions. Okay, so slip stitch, then chain 1 and single crochet in next stitch, half double crochet in next stitch, and 2 doubles in next stitch, 1 and 2, then 1 double in next 2 trebles, 1 and 2, and then again 2 doubles in the next stitch, 1 and 2. Perfect. Then half double crochet in next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, and slip stitch in next. This is it. Then single crochet in next stitch, half double crochet in next stitch, 2 doubles in the next, 1 and 2, then double crochet in next 2 trebles, 1 and 2, then 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 half double crochet in next stitch, and 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. This is it. Perfect. So guys, I will meet you at the end, and now let's make a loop. You can make the loop as long as you need for your project. I will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, okay, 11, 12 chains, and then join the chain with a slip stitch. Perfect. This is it. Don't cut the yarn, and prepare the second flower the same size, and we will join the flowers together with slip stitches. Okay, let's make a gap on the top of the flower. You can make this gap as big as you need for your things. So I will move by slip stitches into the middle of the leaf, on the top of the leaf. Still work on the right side. Okay, so now the right side of one flower is facing you, and the second part is facing the table. And then insert the hook in the same stitch on the second part, the same position of the stitch, and make a slip stitch. and then join stitch to stitch with slip stitches again till you reach the 5th leaf or petal, and stop crocheting on the top of the 5th leaf. Okay, so slip stitch into each stitch. Perfect. I will meet you here on the top of the leaf. Here we are. This is my sleeping cat. His name is Harry. And then continue crocheting slip stitches only on the second part. Again, slip stitch into each stitch till you reach the stitch between the first and the last leaf, and then make a smaller loop. Okay, I would recommend you to chain 5 or 6 chains, and then again join the chain with the slip stitch into the flower. Let me check if the smaller loop is big enough. Yeah, I think this is fine. Amazing. This is it. And then finish slip stitches till you reach the top of the first flower. Then you can cut the end and hide all ends fasten off and your airport cover or small pouch or a case for the keys will be finished. So guys, this is it. This is very easy and quick project for beginners. I love this project, so please let me know which yarn you used and which colors you chose for your cover. And yeah, this is it. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. I would like to wish you really happy crocheting meantime, and see you soon. Bye bye.